Germany vs India men's teams. The business end for this group will well and truly begin with this tie. Team Germany's bold move is about to be tested in the next couple of days. For so long they relied on the big three of Timo Boll, Dimitrij Ovcharov, Patrick Franziska, but it's time for some new players to step up to the plate. So far in Chengdu there has been no reason to doubt this new look side. Led by world number 9 Deng Xiao, Germany got off to a bright start, with a convincing 3-0 triumph over Kazakhstan. India too started their campaign defeating Uzbekistan with a similar score. They also, however, are seeing a changing of the guard as they are without their legend Sharath Kamal. The team will be looking to world number 37 Sathiyan Nansekaran to use his quick and intelligent game to good effect to upset the status quo. Coincidentally, the counterpart women's team played out an enthralling match yesterday, with Germany edging out India 3-2. Can the men's match live up to the billing and bring the drama? Germany 1-3 India. Benedict Duda 2-3 Sathiyan Nansekaran 13-11, 11-4, 8-11, 4-11, 9-11. Xiaodeng 3-1 Hamid Desai 11-7, 11-9, 11-13, 11-3. Ricardo Walther 1-3 Man Naver Vikashita 11-13, 11-6, 8-11, 10-12. Xiaodeng 2-3 Chatian Nansekaran 12-10, 11-7, 8-11, 8-11, 9-11.